Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Piano Music. So I'm a little bit late, I apologize, but here's a quick recap from last week. We talked about a couple of more scales. We did the famous C scale, the G scale, and the D scale. This week we're going to add on the A scale, but I want to talk about some things here real fast. Remember, the C scale is the easiest. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And if we circle the first note, the third note, and the fifth note, that gives us the C major chord. Oh, wait, that's not the right sound. There we go. There we go. So that's the C chord. If I draw out the G scale, G, A, B, C, D, E, don't forget F sharp, and then G. I'll do the sharp in red. Nice. And again, circle the first letter, the third letter, and the fifth letter to give you the G major chord. Oh, really again? Okay. G, B, and D. So obviously, since we're all smart, from D to D should be, oh, come on, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. And as discussed, the two sharps are going to be F and C. Circling the three letters, a boom, and a boom. Now with just these three chords, you can make some beautiful music. I like that. It's a nice little sound. We can go. Okay, the ending wasn't that pretty, but you get the idea. It actually follows a very familiar pattern, and it's one last thing that I'll mention that we talked about last week. We talked about chord progressions. Now we'll do the chords this week, but for right now, just focus on the letter F, and then C, and then G, and the last one is A. And the thing to keep in mind here is use the letters that are closest to you. So if I start on this F, then the closest C is to the left. Now, you could use this low G if you wanted to, since it is closer. I like to use this one, so I'll go to G. And the next one is A, right next door neighbor. And you want to hold these down for 4 counts each. We will get into the different rhythm denominations this week. But for right now, I would just want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I see you this week, we'll do the actual proper chords. Cool, so that's it. That's what we talked about. 3 new scales, well rather not 3 new scales, but 3 scales covering the D scale, F sharp, and C sharp. And then a chord progression is simply just one letter that you play after the other. You can play just the notes as I did, or the chords in the example I gave you. So cool, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way you know when all the videos come out hot and fresh from the kitchen. Be good in practice.